Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error while trying to install any app from Microsoft Store. To get started, simply search for Services and open it. From here, find the Microsoft Store install service. Double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service. Now close the services window. Search for Microsoft Store. Right click over it and click on App Settings. From here, perform a repair and then a reset. Once done, close the settings window. Now search for WS Reset and click on it. Once executed, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Now search for your preferred app and try to install it, and this time you won't get any error. However, if you still encountered the error, then proceed ahead with the next step. Search for Windows PowerShell. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description, you'll get these commands. Copy the first command. Right click on the PowerShell window and hit enter to execute it. Now copy the second command. Paste it in the PowerShell window and hit enter. Once executed successfully, close the PowerShell window. Open Microsoft Store and then try to install your preferred app, and you won't get the error further. Also make sure that your Windows is up to date and the system date and time is correct. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.